Hey, welcome back. We are dealing with the 2013 to 2018 Toyota Rav4. Today we're going to see how to change a cabin air filter. Quite an easy process. Let's see how it's done. First step, bring the glove box down and clear anything out of there because we're going to drop it. Next thing, pull this retainer off so it doesn't have the catch. Third thing you're going to do is squeeze both sides, this side, and take it off that notch. You need both hands to do this. And once you squeeze and pull, the whole thing should drop. It may even come off. That's okay. Now, this is your cabin air filter housing. I just want you to quickly see that the up arrow on this, that is for this plastic. I'll tell you why in a second. Push and open and pull towards you. You could see the cabin air filter right there. If you notice in the cabin air filter, there's an arrow pointing down while the plastic had the arrow pointing up. It basically means put the plastic facing upward, and this is the airflow direction, which means your debris will be caught on the top. The airflow is coming from top to bottom. And as you can see, the debris is actually sitting on the top here. So we'll put a new filter. I'll put a link in the description, and you could pick it up for under $15 and save $50 or so. Time being, I'll just put this filter back in there. As you can see, you just put it in with the arrow pointing down, just like that. All right, once the filter is in, install the cover where it says arrow pointing up. That's the only thing you need to be aware of. There are different filters for different purposes. You can have a charcoal activated filter if you want a little bit of odor control. You can have baking soda ones if you have dogs and stuff, and also you can have HEPA filter if you have specific respiratory problems. Okay, I'll put all that in the description. You can pick it up from right there. Right, next up, make sure this hinges right in there. And you can just slam it at that point, just like that. It'll hold. And let's put the restrainer back on. And put it in its place. Lock it in. And make sure you check the operations of the glove box at that point. All right, that's it. You're done. And that's how you would change a cabin air filter on a 2012 to 2018 Toyota Rav4 or a Camry or Lexus ES350. Also, check out the engine air filter video so you can also save more money by doing that as well. All right, see you in the next video.